my name is Noah with Photoclam International, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to use your brand new Photoclam Pro 50NS ball head mount. Now, before we begin, the biggest factor in making sure that your product works correctly and lasts a long time is proper maintenance. We take care of our ball head mount by using some WD-40. In the summertime, you don't need to do it every single day, but if you're shooting in the winter, it is very important that you make sure the ball head mount is properly lubricated so that this can move freely. You don't want it to freeze or lock up. So in order to clean it, we just need some WD-40 and a clean cloth. And when we apply the WD-40, we apply it directly to the cloth. We do not want to spray it directly onto the ball head. That can cause some buildup inside and can cause problems later on. So we spray some onto our cloth, and we just very gently go over the entire ball, trying to clean out any gunk or dust buildup that might be there. Just nice and smooth. And when we are done, you want to make sure that the ball head moves all the way around. There's no obstructions at all, especially in the winter. You don't want to go out shooting with part of the ball head mount being frozen together. So it's very important that you have the full range of motion with the mount, with the ball. When we are done with that, we are ready to attach it to our tripod. Alright, now this is where we can attach our camera. This is a quick screw mount system, so there's no lever. So to loosen it, you would turn the knob to the left or counterclockwise. You would place your camera in to the quick shoe, and you would turn the knob to the right or clockwise to tighten it. And you want to make sure that your camera is nice and secure in there so that it does not slip and fall out. Now we have the next knob is our multifunction grip. This is the main mechanism that locks your camera into place. If you turn the knob all the way to the left, it allows your camera to move freely. You can position your camera however you want. When you find the right spot for your camera and the shot, you can turn the knob to the right, clockwise. You turn it that way, and it will lock your camera into place. Now, when you are done shooting, when you unscrew the multifunction grip, when you turn it counterclockwise, your camera might fall over. It might flop around. If you want to prevent that, if you want a little more control, we have the little control screw right here. So you would find a place that's comfortable, that has a decent amount of friction, and then you would take your thumb and you would turn that control screw clockwise all the way in until it no longer turns. With a few turns here. And that way, when you're done shooting, when you unscrew the multifunction grip, the camera doesn't fall over right away. There's still some control. So you can move your camera a little bit. It's not going to flop over. You're not going to risk having things knock around. So that gives you some more fine control over how much friction is involved with the ball head. Now, when you are done shooting altogether, you can take off the ball head. And it's very important that when you are done shooting, you tighten everything, all the knobs together. You don't want things to be loose, because that can cause damage if they get knocked around or if they fall down. That could damage some of the internal mechanisms. So you want to make sure everything is tight and secure by turning it all the way to the right. And that is how you can use your Pro 50NS ball head mount. Thank you for watching.